Hello folks, we're working with Plant-B20 with this bi-weekly physical, and looking at this plant, let's give it a good turn around so you can see how it looks. Okay, so at first sight everything looks great, except if I turn this way and look at this. Do you see this ugly picture right here? We need more light. You can see the rim is kind of bad. Boom. Do you see how the rim kind of deteriorated? See that? There you go. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So I'm going to remove that. And rather than yanking the picture off, come in the back, cut where the picture meets the stem. So that way there's no accidental removal of wanted pictures. So just remember, pictures has a tendency to crisscross each other, and sometimes they'll make a loop and tie itself next to the picture, its neighbor. So if you just hold onto the picture and try to pull, you might end up pulling not just this picture, but the one adjacent to it. So be careful. So having that removed, I'll go ahead and adjust the pictures a little bit, move it over, give it some room. You see, there's this one growing right here. Now there's room for me to adjust it to this new location. So it should be growing here. Adjust this a little bit, so I'm giving this picture some room. Okay. So overall, just removal of that one picture did the trick. And there you go. Nicely arranged. This one, I think it can nest nicely right here. Alright, that was quick. So now, water it. Here's some fertilizer. 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 And then fill it up. Again, the fertilizer that I use is C-Max. Quarter strength. And then I only add a couple drops into the pitchers and top it off with just regular water. So I see these three pitchers here, 1, 2, 3. I'll go ahead and feed them too. Okay, now growing these plants every week. These videos are just a demonstration of what the maintenance is all about. I am not going to record this every week or every other week. This is just a documentary for each plant in the collection. And then progressively, I may do some updates as the plants grow. Okay, so look forward to that. Okay. Alright, so everything looks good and I have no more issues here. Oh, if you notice, this picture is torn. Okay. Now, once in a while when you're messing around within the plant, you'll end up tearing something or cracking it, and like I said, some of the developing pitchers can be a little bit brittle. It's not the end of the world. It will continue growing, and if you leave it alone, it'll do its own natural thing and look pretty for you. Okay, so no worries there. So that's it for Plant-B20. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave some comments if you have any. And thank you for watching and have a great day.